Today marks an important milestone for our forces and the communities that support us, for their training, readiness, and rapid response. Ie Shima has a proud history, and today we add a new chapter, one built on trust, collaboration, and a shared vision of stability in the region.
滑走路は C-130 など大型輸送機の離着陸が可能であり、最後に本日ご臨席をされている海兵隊太平洋基地司令官のウォルフォード少将をはじめ。
Well, hi guys, thanks for coming today very much. It's wonderful to have everybody here.
皆さんどうもおはようございます。
So what the Expeditionary Airfield provides for us is a training opportunity that we cannot duplicate anywhere else on the island because it is an expeditionary runway of a certain condition and a certain length and a certain approach that allows our pilots to get specialized training and qualifications. So the reason we did this ceremony is to celebrate the wonderful community and teamwork that we have, because we couldn't have done this without ODB or the Ie Shima Village help. We couldn't do it with all of our engineers, the Seabees, or the Marines that came out here. So it's to celebrate the teamwork we have together to get this capability up and running again. They get to land in different conditions, but also the air traffic controllers get to come out here. Our FARPs, our forward arming and refueling points, that come out here and train.
So does the other option mean the parachute route training?
It includes other options for parachute training as well, yes.
Our industry partners and IE Village have been amazing. There's been some very strong friendships that have come out of this project that will go beyond just this project when times of need really test us.